Okay, Assalamualaikum grade 4. So as usual, uh, before we start the lesson, we pray first. Pray starts now. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Robbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin. Okay, so this week we will learn about at the fun park. So at the fun park is about simple past and also adjective ed and ing. Let's see, what is adjective ed and ing? Okay, so this one is what we are going to learn. Okay, so this one is about ed or ing, adjective about ed or ing, excited or exciting. Yeah, there are two kinds of adjective that we use to describe our feeling or describe an object. Next, adjective that end in ed, such as bored, interested, and adjectives that end in ing, such as boring or interesting, are often confused. Kadang-kadang kita bingung mau pakai yang ed or mau pakai yang ing gitu ya. Next. Nah, ed adjective generally describe emotions. They tell us how people feel. So, ed adjective yang belakangnya ada ed-ed-nya itu untuk orang, ya, untuk describe people feeling, atau emotion. Contoh, I was so bored. Jadi bukannya I was so boring, tapi I was so bored in that lesson. I almost fell asleep. He was surprised, bukannya he was surprising, ya. Kalau I was so bored, aku bosen banget. Tapi kalau I was so boring, aku sangat membosankan. Beda ya artinya ya. Next. Nah, kalau ini ing adjective. Adjective that end in ing generally describe the thing that causes the emotion. A boring lesson. Nah, kalau pakai ing itu untuk benda atau untuk situasi atau untuk keterangan, ya. Have you seen that film? It's really frightening. Kalau isinya it's really frightened, artinya ini sangat takut. Tapi kalau frightening, menakutkan. Oke, jangan ketukar ya. I could listen to her for hours. She is so interesting. Kenapa katanya kalau orang pakainya ed, kok ini pakainya ing? Karena di sini kita mau menjelaskan keadaannya orang tersebut. She is so interesting. Dia sangat menarik. Oke, kalau she is so interested, artinya dia sangat tertarik terhadap apa. Itu ya, beda ya. Oke, ini contohnya. Ada annoyed, annoying, bored, boring, confused, confusing, disappointed, disappointing. Nah, in your book, you can read this part. Ya, this one is talk about past simple. What is past simple? Sebenarnya past simple itu ada rumusnya lagi. Tapi yang kita pelajarin di sini adalah pakainya was sama were. He, she, it, sama I pakainya was. He was, she was, I was. Tapi kalau they, we, you pakainya were. They were, you were, we were. Oke. Oke, let's try. Ada yang sudah tulis jawabannya beberapa, ada juga yang belum. Oke, sekarang kita mulai di ketiga, keempat ya. Ini yang ketiganya udah. Jadi nomor 4 sekarang. Kalau ada tanda silang berarti dia tidak di sana. Ya. Terus kalau ada gambarnya yang smile berarti dia happy. Nah, kalau mau tanya pakai was sama were, we use was sama were, it depends on the object. Nomor 4. Mau nanya sama anak kecilnya kan, berarti you. Apakah kamu kemarin gitu. Jadi were you the sports center yesterday. Keterangan waktunya boleh diganti. Boleh yesterday, boleh last weekend, boleh last time, boleh whatever. Karena di sini jawabannya cross, tidak, berarti I wasn't at the sports center. Gitu ya. Oke. Kalau yes, yes I was. Number 5. Lagi berenang di kolam renang. Gitu ya. Jadi pertanyaannya, were you at the swimming pool last week? Kalau yes, bilangnya yes. Berarti yes. Yes, I was. Bukan yes, I were. Karena yes, I was. Karena I pakainya was. Terus ditanya lagi. Karena ada gambar smile-nya ya. Was it fun? Kenapa pakai was it fun? Karena kita mau menanyakan situasinya. Kalau iya, jawabannya karena ini smile ya, jadi yes, it was. Kalau enggak, no, it wasn't. Oke? Okay? Now, the last number you can do it by yourself ya. Ini belum dihapus. Kita hapus dulu. Gimana cara ngapusnya? Hapus dulu yang tadi ya. Oke, sekarang kita tulis lagi. Nah, nomor 3. This one, you need to match the picture to the what? To the sentence, to the correct sentence ya. Oke, number 1. I was at the beach. It was exciting. Kenapa pakainya ing? Karena untuk menjelaskan it was exciting. Kalau it benda pasti pakainya ing. Oke. Yang mana nih gambarnya? Yang B ya. Nanti teman-teman you just drag the line. Number 2, I was at the fun park. The clown was. Nah, di sini ada fun sama funny. Bedanya kalau funny itu untuk menjelaskan orangnya. Kalau fun untuk menjelaskan situasinya. Oke, jadi jangan tertukar. Di sini the clown was funny. Oke, next. Number 5. I was on the roller coaster. I was, ada pilihannya exciting, wet, surprise, sama apa lagi tuh? Afraid. Oke. Kelihatannya kalau di roller coaster gitu yang gitu, takut ya. Jadi kalau afraid yang mana? Kalau takut yang mana? Yang afraid ya. Sorry. I was afraid gitu ya. Oke, next. Nah, lupa lagi ya. I forgot to erase this one. Nah, this one is only you choose only was or were. Okay. Number 4. Was it fun at the fun park? Yang E-nya nanya ya. Was it fun at the fun park? Oke, jawabannya yang B. No, it. Kalau no pakainya was atau was not? Was not ya, jadi no it wasn't. Atau wasn't juga boleh. It was raining in the afternoon. We ingat kalau we pakainya were atau was. Were ya, we were gitu kan. We were. Apa ya? Visualis nggak bisa lihat nih. Yang ini. Oke, nanti teman-teman bisa lanjutin ya. We were apa ya? Oke, next. Jadi this one you choose only was or were depend on the objects. Oke. Good. Nah, this one. Okay, this one is number 3 already. Oh, number 3 not yet. We went to, okay, you look at the picture first. At number 1, it was sunny. My brother and I went to the beach. I was excited. Karena I. Kalau I, he, she, it, they, we, you, I, tidak boleh pakai ing. Jadi pakainya excited. Oke, pilihannya excited. We were wet all over. Oke, kenapa wet isinya? Karena kan kalau di pantai main air ya, jadi wet all over. In the afternoon, it was windy and cloudy. I was paginya sunny, mataharinya bersinar terang. Kenapa afternoonnya siangnya cloudy, mendung? Gitu ya. Jadi jawabannya I was surprised karena kaget. Kok jadi mendung gitu ya. Oke. My brother wasn't happy. Was not boleh atau wasn't boleh. Kenapa nggak happy? Because it's going to be raining. Ya. It's going to be rain. Jadi brothernya nggak happy deh. Terus we went to the titik-titik. Nah, di sini ada pilihannya nih. We went to the cinema. Lihat, dia lagi nonton bioskop ya. Oke. In the evening, the movie was, kalau tadi clown tulisannya jawabannya funny karena untuk menggambarkan orang, sekarang untuk menggambar keadaan bilangnya fun. Funny. The movie was funny. My brother was happy again. Okay. Good. Jadi hati-hati untuk memilih fun atau funny, excited atau exciting. Ya. Okay, thank you grade 4. See you again next week. Wassalamualaikum. Bye.